So these are some of the challenges you faces when you want to slick 4C hair, right? Natural hair is a big challenge when you want to make a slick down. So keep watching, stay tuned, and watch for the new style. Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back guys. Hope you're all doing well by God's grace. And Merry Christmas to you all. So in today's video, we are going to do some flip ponytail, right? It was a big challenging to slick the hair down. As you all know, it is natural hair. And the 4C type, of course. And you know, it is not easy to slick the 4C hair down. But yeah, I just want to share with you how I show my hair who was the boss. So you can see my hair is a little bit straightened because of the previous hairstyle I had. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put the playlist link under the description box. And if today is your new uh your first time coming across this channel, please don't forget to help a sister by subscribing, like, and share, guys. And let us share our natural hairstyles here. And you can also share your opinion. Thanks for those who always advise me. If you want your edges to come back, don't add the extension to that, yeah, when braiding, right? Yeah, I'm trying to follow all those advices. And while when pulling my hair, actually I don't make it strong, right? Because I know pulling, like I always make ponies and so on, they can also affect my edges. So the reason why I don't tie my hair when I'm pulling them, right? I don't make a strong ponytail, or I don't do some hard hairstyles because I know they will affect my edges. So yeah, it was a big challenging lying those hair down. But yeah, you only have to know the trick on how you want to do it. The ponytail I'm going to do is actually a flip ponytail, so Barbie style with a swoop, right? The swoop is the Barbie style that come in front, line in front, like, because I have short hair, I'm going to play the game of jail today, right? I'm going to play the game of jail, but after I am done with this hairstyle, um yeah, I'll stay for some days with that, but after that, please, if you, in case you come to use any gel on your hair, don't comb it when you want to remove the hairstyle, right? Don't comb it, just wash it before you comb your hair. Otherwise, you lose many hair. Because the hair will be hard. The gel will make it a little bit hard. So if you comb it directly, you start having some shed out. So yeah, I'm going to play some gel party on my hair. Yeah, because of the style I want to achieve, I would like to put enough gel so that my hair will stay a little bit longer, like it will last for some more days. Yeah, so it wasn't easy, but what I did first is I tried to moisturize my hair first with Bentu. Is it Bentu? No, Kentu. It was Kentu. I tried to style my hair first with Kentu cream hair leave-in conditioner. Yeah, the leave-in conditioner, I tried to make the hair soft first before I will be able to lie the 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 hair down, because otherwise you can see I tried with water, it wasn't okay like what I wanted. But the Kento leave-in conditioner make the hair a little bit softer so that I am able to add the gel on top. Sometimes even when I add gel alone, it doesn't work, guys. If you understand the type of force here I'm talking about, like when you slick your hair down with gel, you still see some hair coming up they wake up from what you have lied down already and so on. So um yeah, I'm using this trick and I'll show you at the end how it looks like, right? Mm-hmm. So yeah, as I'm saying, I put a leave-in can too, and so that the hair will lie down first, and on top of that I'm going to add some gel, and yeah, to make it really slick down, because I want the soup to slick down, like slick down, as you understand it. With the 4C hair, I'm going to show my hair who is the boss today. So I'm going to slick them down, whether they like it or not. I'm going to slick them down, guys. So I will please you to keep watching and let us enjoy the dance at the end. It is Christmas. Guys, life is short to be stressed, right? Enjoy your life, enjoy what you like and what you love to do. Yeah, that's it. So let's continue slicking our head down. Yeah, the soup, I would like to bring it a little bit more in front. I have a small forehead, right? But I'm going to slick it down until where I would like it to be, so that yeah, I will be able to achieve the style that I want. So I will let you keep watching, and I will be summarizing you while styling, right? Keep watching, guys.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
So, boss, let us try to slick down those tiny edges in this side, right? I send the soup to the other side because the other side have more hair loss, and this side is better, so I can slick down this side like a little bit easier than the other side. And then later I'm going to go ahead and slick back the whole hair, but this time with gel, right? So I'm going to use Eco Gel and also mix with got to be gel. Yeah, my phone stopped when I was recording the got to be gel, but that's the gel I added to it too. I use Echo and then got to be. So I will be adding it on top of the star so that the hair will slick well down, and when it is dry I'll have the look that I want. And So the pony, I'm not going to use straight hair. I'm going to use curly hair extension done by me. I did a clip-ins curly hair extension in which I'm going to link the video under the description box. If you haven't watched it, these are some of my first videos I did in this channel, right? So it is a curly hair extension done by me. I will put the link on how I achieve the curly hair and how I put it. Is actually a clip-ins extension. So I did the curly hair in one video, and in another I did the clip-in. So I'm going to link everything. And on top, now that I have slicked my hair down, I'm going to add this oil, right? I'm going to add this oil so that when the hair get dry, it will look shiny. So now that I am back, the hair is dry. I'm going to style my hair, and then we are going to continue dancing after that, guys. Keep watching. I'll let you keep watching the video, and as you can see, um going to put the curly hair around, right? So that I'll have it full. As I have small head, I didn't want to use the straight hair extension because my hair will look more smaller. I wanted something that will make my head fuller, right? That's the reason why I use curly hair. And I'm now going to take one part to give the design of the ponytail by rolling it around the extension, the curly hair. And yeah, I hope you love the look. Look at this, guys. Look at how my hair came out. Who said the 4C hair cannot slick down? You only have to know the trick that you use. As you saw me doing, I made the hair soft first with the leave-in can too, the leave-in conditioner can too, before I went ahead and you know, add gel and continue styling. So let us dance, boys.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Hey, boys. Thank you all for watching. I love you all, guys. Stay tuned until we meet next time. Mwah!